In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gohighlevel Snapshot templates. To begin, head over to Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into your agency account, not a sub account. That part is important because Snapshot templates are managed from the agency level. If you're in the wrong account, you may not see the options we're about to use. Once you're inside your agency dashboard, look for Account Snapshots in the menu and click into it. From there, select Snapshot Templates. This is where Gohighlevel gives you access to a large library of pre-built templates designed for different industries and business types. Inside the Snapshot Template section, you'll find hundreds of industry-specific snapshots. These can include niches like real estate, medical, fitness, and many more. These templates are useful because they often come preloaded with key assets such as funnels, calendars, and automations, which can save a lot of setup time. When you found the snapshot template you want to use, click Create New Sub-Account. This will open the setup flow for applying that template to a new account. Next, type in your address. As you type, Gohighlevel may suggest matching locations, so go ahead and pick the address that best fits your business or intended setup. Choosing the correct address helps populate some of the account details more accurately. After that, fill in the required business and contact information. Enter your first name, then your last name, followed by your email address. Next, add your business name and choose the appropriate business niche. You'll also need to enter a business phone number, your address, city, country, and zip code. Continue by adding your website and then selecting the correct time zone. Make sure the time zone is accurate, especially if the snapshot includes calendars, automations, or appointment settings. This helps prevent scheduling issues later on. Near the bottom of the form, select the option that says, "This is my own account." This tells Gohighlevel how the sub-account should be categorized during setup. Once everything has been filled out and reviewed, click Add Sub-Account. At that point, Gohighlevel will create the new sub-account and apply the selected snapshot template to it. That's the full process for getting Gohighlevel snapshot templates and using one to create a new sub-account. If you want the smoothest setup possible, take a moment to double-check your business details before submitting the form, since those settings can affect how the template works right from the start.